Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make these delicious crispy potato fritters. They are really easy to make and are lovely with a cup of tea or an evening snack. So friends, let's start off by peeling one large potato. We're going to peel this nicely and make sure that all of the skin is off, as this will allow the inside of the potato to be crispier once we shred this. You can use the remainder of the skin that you are peeling off for a different recipe if you wish. I'm just finishing off peeling my potato, and then once this is done, I'm going to grab a grater and shred this and grate this nice and finely. In this recipe we are grating most of our ingredients, as this will allow to create a nice layered look of our fritters. Once our potato is grated, I'm going to put this on the side and get a nice big carrot, and then I'm doing the same thing and peeling my carrot. Make sure that you peel this nicely and finely, and then we're going to chop off the top of the carrot and then the bottom of the carrot, and we're going to repeat the same thing and grate this into nice fine slices. So friends, now that we have our carrot and our potato nicely grated and sliced, we're gonna get a fine cloth. I'm using a tea towel. You can use a muslin cloth, you can use a nice thin material cloth, and we're gonna put in our potato and carrots into this. I have placed my cloth into a bowl so that it is easier for me to gather the ingredients into one place, and then grabbing the corners of the cloth, I'm gonna roll it into a bowl shape and then tightly squeeze all of the juice out. The aim of this is to get rid of excess water that is found within carrots and potato, and this will release the starch and we can have a nice crispy final product. Now that this is done, we can set that aside, and then in another clean bowl I'm adding in my potato and carrot mixture. Remember that we squeezed out all of the excess water, so now both of our ingredients are nice and dry. There's no excess water, as you can see. I'm now gonna get some spring onions and finely chop these into nice pieces and slices. Make sure that these are nice and fine and evenly cut so that we get a nice bite of them in our fritters. I've now added this to my carrot and potato mixture, and I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 and then 2 tablespoons of plain flour into this. Once we have done that, we are going to crack in 1 whole egg and then another egg, so 2 whole eggs into the mixture, so that we can use this to combine all of our ingredients and spices. Now give this a good mix with some chopsticks, with a spoon, with a whisk, whatever you prefer, and make sure that the eggs and flour are forming a nice smooth and thin paste. Once this is done, we're going to scoop up about a tablespoon of the mixture and pop this into some nice hot oil. I am medium frying these on medium flame and making sure that the fritters have enough space. I am not overcrowding my oil. I'm making sure that they have enough space so that they have enough time and are evenly cooked throughout. So after about 5 minutes, I'm flipping these because they are nice and golden and crispy, and then cooking them on the other side. And once they are done, in a total of around 8 minutes, I'm going to strain these and remove the excess oil. You can place these on a tissue paper after you have taken them out of the oil to make sure that they're nice and crispy and retain their moisture. And that's it guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this nice crispy potato fritter recipe, and I am sure you will enjoy this. Please try this and let me know how it went. Until next time friends, bye!